Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting both devices ready and staying focused. Make sure the watch is on and in pairing mode. Open Hryfine and sign in. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone because Hryfine uses both to detect nearby devices. If the app asks for permissions, accept them. This allows stable discovery. Now, keep the phone within 1 meter of the watch and tap the app's pair or add device button to begin the connection process. You'll see a device list in Hryfine. Choose the model that matches your watch and follow the on-screen prompts. When a numeric code appears, verify it on the watch display and then tap Confirm in the app. This prevents accidental pairing with other devices. Next, grant notification access and permit the app to run in background so syncs continue. Once confirmed, the app will transfer settings. Wait until you see the success message before proceeding to customize watch faces or health data sync. You finish by letting Hryfine complete the initial data sync. Confirm steps like time, activity goals, and notification preferences. If the watch doesn't connect, reboot the watch and phone, then re-enable Bluetooth. Simple restarts resolve most conflicts. Make sure no other device is actively paired nearby, and if needed, clear the Hryfine app cache or reinstall it. If problems persist, contact Hryfine support with the app log. That helps them diagnose permission or firmware mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.